First, you will need papers. Here I'm using printer paper. I will use centimeter on the ruler to measure the paper longer length size. The paper longer length size, you will need to measure up to 4 centimeter. And for the shorter length size, you will need to measure up to 7 centimeter. Before making the measurement, you will need to measure 0.5 centimeter on the bottom where the longest length side meets the shortest side. I'm going to cut it out and put it away. I'm going to measure the 7 centimeter for the shorter length of the paper. Mark the 7 centimeter, then mark the 14 centimeter, and then 21 centimeter. You can see it will divide into 3 equally parts. Next, I'm going to rotate the paper and start to measure the longer length side. Mark the 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and so on until you reach the end of the paper. Here's what it looked like when I draw the lines. Next, I'm going to cut out all the small rectangles followed by the lines that I draw here. For 1 piece of paper, I will have 21 small rectangles with a measurement of 4 by 7 centimeter. For 2 pieces of paper, I will have 42 small rectangles and so on. Different 3D origami models require different number of these small rectangles. With all of these pieces, I'm going to fold it into the origami models or unit. These small units will be needed to assemble it into a big 3D origami model. First, fold this rectangle piece in half. Then turn it around. The open part will be on the bottom. Next, fold it in half sideways. You will see the middle keys. Use that as the center to fold it into a triangle like this. Do the same thing for the other side. Next, flip it around. Now we're going to do bottom flaps. Turn sideways like this and fold the flap into a triangle. Leave a small space here to make sure when folded the triangle up, it will fold up easier. Do the same thing to the other side. After folding it up, fold them together to make this triangle. That will have 2 slots and 2 spikes looking. You put the 2 spikes into the 2 bottom slots of the other for easier access later. Here's how you connect them for the model. 1 spike of 1 triangle will go into the slot of the top triangle, and the other slot will go into a different triangle spike for them to connect to each other like this. Put them together in the same pattern side. Here's what it will look like if you put them together with a different size. Only do different size or different pattern when you do the base, but for the rest of the model, you will need to put them in the same pattern for better appearance. This is why you don't connect the 2 spikes of the same triangle into the 2 slots of the other triangle. It will go in like this, but when you assemble them together like this, they will not connecting to each other on the side. Therefore, connect or assemble them like a pyramid to help them connect to each other sideways and top. Hey, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Comments below to let me know what kind of tutorial you guys want to see next. Follow me on my Twitter and Instagram for daily updates. Also, check out my other video tutorials by clicking on it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Bobo, and that's a wrap. Bye bye!